Hey, I'm Brian Bradley, a nationally recognized asset protection attorney. And if you're living in New York and your estate planner told you that your trust protects you, this is your wake-up call. It doesn't. I don't have to tell you this, but New York is one of the worst states in America for asset protection. It can be a toss-up between New York and California. New York doesn't recognize self-settled spendthrift trust. What this means is that if you create a trust, your creditors can get access to the assets inside of it. And it's written clearly in EPTL section 7-3.1A, and the courts enforce it aggressively. So let's talk about something people keep getting wrong. ISTs, irrevocable spousal trust. In New York, these are being sold as protection strategies from creditors, but they don't work for asset protection. And so why is that? Because New York laws say that if the grantor is also a beneficiary, even indirectly, the trust is void against creditors. And the Uniform Voidable Transactions Act reinforces this. It says your trust is judged under your state laws, and New York doesn't allow this kind of protection. And New York courts back this up in Ray Potnoy, in Ray Brooks, and in Ray Lawrence. So no matter how many fancy documents you have, if you're relying on a spousal trust or a domestic irrevocable trust in New York, you're not protected. So let's be crystal clear. If your legal foundation is weak, one lawsuit is all it takes to lose everything you've worked so hard for. If you want real asset protection while also keeping control of your assets, you need the Bridge Trust, which is a hybrid asset protection trust that's domestic when times are good and offshore when you need to be untouchable. It's IRS compliant, court tested, and designed to survive lawsuits, even in states like New York. The reality is that you don't rise to the level of your income, you fall to the level of your legal structure. And what we're really talking about here isn't just defending assets, we're defending your values, your financial freedom, and your future legacy. So tap the link to book a consultation call. After all, if you built something real, protect it like it matters.